Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Malude and I'm going to explain you all about HTML language. In short, HTML is hypertext markup language. It is basically a language which use lot many tags within it. Let's start with small example directly. So we will do all the programming of HTML in Notepad here. The process of writing HTML program is that we have to write a program in Notepad, then we have to save that program in all files with the .html extension, and then we have to execute it on any other web browser we have in our PCs. So let's start with first tag, that is tag name by HTML. This tag ends with slash before the same tag name, that is slash HTML. We'll write the body of HTML inside this HTML tag. So again, we have to write body tags. And remember one thing, all the tags in HTMLs are written between smaller than and greater than signature. Then we will write here body and we'll close that body with slash body. Okay. Suppose we want to print a message that hello all. So we don't need to import anything, we don't need to write any syntactical operations, we just have to write here hello all and just have to save this file. It will print the message. Okay, we will save this file by save. This will be saved on my this PC, desktop and HTML1 folder on desktop. Let's give it the name as ex1.html. We will save it within all files and done. Remember one thing, whenever you are saving any HTML file, you have to give it the .html extension. Here we have our HTML1 folder. Here our example is, we'll click it and see the results. Here we have our output, that is hello all. Since our first program is executed on HTML, stay tuned for further programs and further exciting experiments within HTML. Thank you.